There were 7 new engines coming to the island of Sodor. They arrived at Natford. "I would like you all to meet my new engine," said the Flight Controller. "They are Dylan, Victor, Lady, Connor, Nick, Isabella, and Dolet. Make all the engines welcome." "All right, now back to work." At Bulky's Bridge, it would be amended. 4 engines were chosen. As you could see, it was shown right now. Meanwhile, Isabella was going to be passenger service. She was going happily along. She was kind and helpful. Meanwhile, Lady was doing her job. Yes. For a little, she wasn't that good at shunting, but she did her best and she did well. Just then something splashed. A few minutes later, Ryan got a rope and pulled the thing that splashed out of the water. As by pull, they soon got the thing out. Then before Ryan could shout out the name, "Ah! You know," said Toad, "I'm a private brake van, not a brake van that you can take. I'm Mr. Oliver's brake van." "Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Me, of course." Dylan was a heavy tank engine, so as he went to the bridge, his brakes were wooden. "Help! Help!" Then he crashed to the bottom, making a few bricks blow. Workers, driver, firemen, and Sir Topham Hatt were cross on Dylan. Lots of angry people were bickering. Then, "Silence! Now, Dylan, I brought you here for a reason, to help, but not careless. You are not focusing on the track and didn't look where you were going. Even though it includes your brakes that are wooden, I will get you." Forgot the name again. What was it? Crew. "Yes, sir. I do really. My old controller, he ignored me when I said about my wooden brake." Sir Topham Hatt didn't know what to say. Isabella stopped at a red signal with Henry. Then they heard a whistle. They heard a loud whistle. Then came Dolet. Then Terence came into the track and then stopped by mistake. Then Toad didn't brake. He was a private brake van, and two, he wasn't supposed to be treated like that. He would always bump him. Then Connor came with Trial and reported, and they both crashed. Oh, the indignity.